When you're racing against time in ischemic stroke patient or neurovascular emergency such as aneurysm or AVM, every second matters. Neurointerventional procedures have dramatically changed outcomes in brain aneurysms, acute stroke paralytic attack, brain AVMs, carotid stenosis. That's why we at Sir H.N. Reliance Foundation Hospital are proud to launch India's first all-in-one AI-powered biplane DSA lab, a groundbreaking leap in neurointervention care. The dedicated biplane lab was needed to achieve the outcome excellence in these patients as compared to usual single-plane lab, which is usually used in cardiology. With high-speed imaging, we generate crystal-clear 3D brain scans in just 3 seconds, critical for minimizing motion blur during stroke and emergency interventions. While in usual neurointervention labs, one plane has to be removed and brought back to do 3D imaging, and this brings a break in the patient's procedure. Whereas in our biplane cath lab, we have a unique twin spin technology which can seamlessly switch between 2D and 3D imaging, helps in saving crucial time. This advanced system delivers not only high quality, but up to 70% less radiation, protecting patients without compromising on quality. Brain aneurysm outcomes have dramatically changed with the use of neurointervention techniques using modern technology. Brain arteriovenous malformations are complex disorders in which we have advanced 4D imaging and 6D imaging to properly analyze brain AVM for planning precise embolization. Acute stroke care has entered a new era with modern interventional techniques which can reverse paralytic attack. We can now track how blood flows through the brain in 60 seconds, giving us deep insight into collateral circulation, vital in stroke decision-making. For stroke cases, next-gen 3D perfusion imaging helps us map blood volume across the brain, empowering fast, accurate treatment decisions. Even patients with blood vessel blockages are safely treated using neurointervention techniques. At Sir H.N. Reliance Foundation Hospital, this isn't just a machine. It's a commitment to faster, safer, smarter neurocare. Backed by our comprehensive stroke and neurointervention services, we bring world-class care closer to every patient. When every second counts, trust the future of neurocare.